Alright, hey guys, welcome to another stream. I'll be doing more UDK stuff today. This room's done. Obviously, if you didn't see yesterday's stream, I was able to finish this room, so now I'm just working on this hallway. What I want to accomplish in this hallway, just to give you a broad idea, it's not going to be anything too crazy. It's not going to be anything puzzly. It's just like a break in between puzzles. But I want people to be able to discover, well, at least those who look, discover this little vent path you can take. They'll bring you to this room, and in this room, I want it to be like kind of like a monitor room, where you just see like a large desk and a bunch of monitors, and on these monitors you see all the rooms you've been to already. Like if someone was watching you. I want to just tell a little bit of a story, in this level 2. I hope it comes across cool, but I just want people to be able to discover, like, someone's been watching you solve these puzzles, and maybe they don't like that you're solving them, so maybe, like, there's some broken equipment, things like that. But for right now, I'm just going to work on this main part first, do one room at a time. And this room's going to be pretty straightforward in terms of its visuals. It's just going to be like a normal hallway. But I want to add a little special bit back here with a spinning fan. So, that's going to be pretty sweet. Sorry about that. So to get the spinning fan going, let's just right-click on this. Let's convert this to a mover. Now it's automatically dynamic. So now let's go to Kismet, and let's do New Matinee. Let's go into the 5th room. Let's take this music, just in case we need it. Now with this matinee, still click on that. Let's do add new empty group. Let's call this spinning blade. Add new movement track. Now let's scroll down here. Let's use quant interpolation just so it spins in a 360 smoothly. So let's go to 1 second. And in our scene, let's just rotate this 90 degrees. Bring this to 2 seconds. Spin this 90 degrees. Spin this 90 degrees. And last but not least, spin this 90 degrees. So let's see what this looks like. Loop. Honestly, we're going to have to make that spin faster, but stop, and let's just, there we go. Let's watch this. Let's see if it just does it, full. Oops, I hit looping. Cool. And let's just make this play rate maybe like 2. And I actually want this to start spinning now when the level's first loaded, because this will be spinning for no reason. But let's go to new action. Let's go to event, activate remote event. Actually, no. We'll need that, but we actually need to do this somewhere else. Where's the part where the player, here we go. Here's the solve puzzle. And let's copy this. Let's do a hallway fan activation. Plug that in. Now let's just copy the name, hallway van activation. Now let's go back in here. Let's go new event, remote event, and let's just type that in. Should be good. Let's go into play. Oops. Let's set this to looping, and there we go. So now, if we go in here, it won't be playing, the fan won't be moving, as you can see. But, if we solve this puzzle first, so let's just throw that in. Now it's spinning. It's kind of weird how it's spinning, actually. Okay. Oop. Alright, so with this, it's kind of giving us some trouble with the pivot point. So this is a good thing to do. Let's just export this. It's an FBX. Save that out. Now we have it right here. So I'm going to open up 3ds Max. And I'm going to fix this pivot point. I haven't used Max in a little bit, but I know enough to fix the pivot point. So what I want to do, while we're waiting for 3ds Max to open a bit, is let's get a cylinder open. It should be roughly 128. Oh, continue. Alright, well, we got 3ds Max open, so let's use that real quick. All I really want to do is just change the pivot point. So let's go to File, Import. Let's import that FBX. And be like, yeah, sure. Hit J to get rid of those brackets. Now, let's go to Effect Pivot Only, Center to Object. Is that? No. First things first. We gotta zero out these coordinates. I'm trying to remember. Trying to remember. Because this, oops. Because this object obviously is not centered in the world. I don't know why it's not. Modify. Let's see. It's in here somewhere. No. That's the pivot. Where is it? Let's do pivot. Effect pivot only. Center to object. And now let's do 0, 0, and 0. Effect pivot only. Center to object. Why is this not centering right? Man, I haven't used this in so long. Let's see. is not working? Like when I create a square, and I do 0, 0, 0, it centers out. But with this propeller, it's just not doing it. Align. Quick align. No. I don't know what it's. Whoever modeled that, not good. So, alright, let's just ignore that for right now. Still a little big on the radius here. Let's try 92. Set subtract, just see. Yeah, that worked pretty well. That's pretty sweet. That's looking sweet. See if I can find a better mesh, because that seriously is not good at all. Let's try blade. Oops. Capital. I'll probably have to end up using this one, because at least it has a centered pivot point, I think. Does it really not? Oh my god. What the hell? Okay, this one is worse. I don't know how, but okay. He's not. Pivot. I'm trying to get this pivot point. Oh my god. Alright. Is that... I don't think that's any better. Ow! It sucks. Like, how is that the center? That's not the center. I guess the best thing I can do is just be in 30s Max and just manually set the pivot point. Which is annoying, but okay. Okay, let's get back in here. File, import. Bring that back. Fairly sure. Okay, effect pivot only. Let's go to top. now. There. File, export. Save. Yes. Yes. Let's go into UDK. Let's go to content browser. It's the mesh we want. Right click on it. Re-import. Thank you. Let's just 2.75. 2.5. And then let's go back in our matinee. Let's see this bad boy spin. Nope, still bad. Why is it? I thought, what? I'm so confused. Why? Why is that not working? Like, I really don't know. This is super annoying. This pivot is not. Oh my god. That's making me angry, man. This was supposed to be really easy today, but because of this pivot point, making it much harder. And I don't even think there's like an alternative mesh I can use to really give me the same result that I want. Like, I guess I can use these, but I mean the pivot points on these aren't that good either. Well, at least they're on the end, so I'll be able to rotate it like that. Yeah, that should work. So by you, yeah, see ya. Curious if we make this convert mover Kismet. What is this gonna do? 90. 90. 90. 90. if we play that. Yeah, it looks good. Oops. Let's just go. Punk. Connect those in. Let's just go look at anything like normal. Yeah. Now we got a fan spinning. I think I should just put some sort of like a mesh in the middle, kind of consolidate it. Oh, like one of these little, okay, sweet. Let's just bring the scale down 0.5. Rotate that to 90. Bring it in. Yeah, it doesn't look center at all. There we go. So Kismet, let's watch this in action. That's good for now. What do I want to do? I want to take this light, convert light, spotlight, movable. I got dark in there, but I want to do this. Do like 10. And now with the spinning shape, I want it to create cool shadows. Are you getting anything like that? No. Do collision. Give them collision again. And let's look at the lighting channels. Let's do dynamic and unnamed one. Note this one. Let's do dynamic and unnamed one. Alright, I'm just gonna save. This is what I'm gonna do today. You know, this was kind of annoying. With the pivot point and everything like that. That kind of got me irritated, but that's all I want to do for today. I'll be doing way more tonight, as well as tomorrow and Tuesday, because I don't have work on those days, so I can actually focus on this some more. So just stay tuned then. So thanks again for watching, you guys. I'll see you next time.